Okay, so we are going to do an example of how to do a graphing to standard form problem. So the first thing you want to do is find 2 points on your graph. It can be whatever two you choose. It does not matter where they are or anything like that. You're just going to find 2 points. So in this case, I've chosen -2, 2 and 0, -5. And so then I'm going to find my slope using rise over run. So this is all stuff that we already know how to do. So you're just finding your slope just like you would normally. So here my run is 2 and my rise is actually a fall, so it's going to be negative, and it's -8. Or sorry, -7. So that gives me -7 over 2 as my slope. For step 3, I'm going to find the y-intercept, which is actually one of the points I used right there at 0, -5. So I know the y-intercept is -5. So now what I'm going to do is plug that into y equals mx plus b to get an equation. So I'll use -7 over 2 for m, since that's my slope. And I'll use -5 for b, since that's my y-intercept. So here's where the steps kind of differ. So we're going to get rid of the denominator on the slope. And we're going to do that using multiplication. Because -7 over 2 is division, so to undo that, we use multiplication. So I'm going to rewrite my equation down here, and I'm going to multiply every single thing by 2. So I'm going to multiply y by 2, -7 over 2 by 2, and -5 by 2. I'm going to multiply every single thing by 2. And that's because we have to keep the equation balanced, and that's the only way we can do that. So from there, when I do 2 times -7 over 2, those cancel out. So I'm left with 2y is equal to -7x minus 10. Because I do 2 times y, -5 times 2. So that's where I get the 2y and the -10. And then our last step is just to move the x term, to the other side. So we're just kind of working backwards here. So to get rid of that -7x, I'm going to add 7x to both sides. So I'm just going to use inverse operations to move it. And then that'll leave me with 7x plus 2y is equal to -10. And then that is my answer. You're completely done after that.